this morning, the breeze so sweet. Walking through the valley with bare feet. Hear the birds singing, nature greet. Another chance to dance to a righteous beat. Trouble in the world, but I still believe. Jah never fail, he never deceive. Got my soul armor, I won't retreat. Plant the seed of hope, watch it grow and repeat. Rise and shine, let your spirit fly. No chains can hold you, don't ask why. Jah is near, just close your eye. He'll lift you up, no need to try. Fire of love, blazing high. We chant for peace under the sky. Hold the vision, reach so high. Reggae rhythm never die. Babylon system tried to confuse, spreading lies through the evening news. But I've got truth in my soul's fuse. I choose love, I refuse to lose. From Cote d'Ivoire to Kingston town, we beat the drum, we wear the crown. African spirit can't be drowned. We rise again from holy ground. Hear the calling from the hills. Sound of Naya Bingi still gives chills. Ancient wisdom in the wind. Let the healing now begin. Rise and shine, let your spirit fly. No chains can hold you, don't ask why. Jah is near, just close your eye. He'll lift you up, no need to try. Fire of love, blazing high. We chant for peace under the sky. Hold the vision, reach so high. Reggae rhythm never die. Jah love keep flowing. River of life keep growing. No more hate, no more war, we're children of the morning star. Peace in the heart, peace in the land. We walk together, hand in hand. Zion train still rolling on, singing praises from dusk till dawn. I see my people suffer, but still they smile. Dignity in every step, every mile. We come from struggle, we come from pain, but we rise like sunshine after rain. Every ghetto youth is a king in the skies. Every queen got fire in her eyes. Let the system shake, let the walls fall. Jah kingdom rise over all. Rise and shine, let your spirit fly. No